This video is not sponsored by any company. All the products discussed in the video are ranked according to their price and specifications. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video of Cell Mafia. In this video, I am going to unbox and review the i11 5.0 headset, which is the replica of the original Apple Airpods. So let's see their build quality and also how they sound. So here's the box of i11 headset. The brand name is TWS. If we take a look at the box, there is a simple name branding in the front. On the sides, there is also some branding of the name and the company. On the back, with the name branding, some specifications are also written. Okay, let's start the unboxing. On opening the box, the first thing in the box is our main piece, the earphones. The replicas of Apple Airpods. After that, there is a charging cable available to charge the earphones. Let me open it. And yes, here it is. The charging cable. Other than that, there is a user manual available in the box, which is pretty much small, still useless to us. And that's it. So here is our main product. Let's take the earphones out of the box. And, oh gosh, they look 99% like the real AirPods. So here was the unboxing. So here's the review. Let's start with the box. If we talk about its build quality, then it's good. They look exactly like the real ones. But the bad thing is, it is not very durable. You have to deal with it with very polite hands. If we talk about the replica earphones, then yes, they are a 99% copy of the real ones. But not as durable as the real ones. I have done their sound test. The audio quality is very good as compared to other replicas. You can say the quality is 8 out of 10. To start these earphones, put them in the box and press the button present on the box. Okay. To connect the earphones with your phone, just follow these steps. The earphones are finally connected. So, here was the unboxing and review of the TWS i11 headset. If you don't have money to buy the original AirPods, you can definitely go with this replica. The link of the product is given in description. If you want to purchase this headset, go and click the link in the description. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification each time we upload a video. Till next time, goodbye.